Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, something I gotta address. In the last video, 2 or 3 people said I'm getting really gray. Now, I know I'm turning 50 August 1st, but come on. I think a lot of it's because I added this new light right here. Like if I unplug this, well, maybe it's not. I was gonna say it doesn't show as much back here. And I think in the last video, my hair wasn't spiked, so it was down. So my hair is naturally like a lot blonder when it's not spiked up. And I didn't shave for like 3 weeks, so all this was gray in here. But damn it guys, I'm getting old. I can't help it. That's alright. I'm eating healthier than I ever ate, and I'm working out, and I'm doing a lot of things, so I feel like I'm getting younger. My head might say I'm getting older, but I feel like I'm getting younger. I saw someone liked a TikTok from a year ago. Boy, was I fat, man. 20 pounds doesn't feel like much when you see it every day, but good Lord, look at that. Woo! I was round. Time to get on these handles and get them all shaped up. I got this one down. But man, I'll tell you what. In that last video, I showed you how I busted the handle. This knife is jinxed. Because the pivot on both of them just slides right through since I put the G10 on there. I don't know what's going on. Some knives just want to give you a problem after problem, but that's alright, we got it. So, yeah, I'll put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description. I got 4 knives on there. I got shirts on there, Amazon links, all that good stuff. Yeah, alright. Let's just get to the grinder. I went ahead and did this one for Instagram. So, yeah man. We're just gonna start out here. I got the belt hanging over. It's an old belt. We're gonna wear it out. Put it out of its misery. I got carbon fiber here, so I gotta go remember to put my jacket on before I do this one. So we'll save this one for last. Cause yeah, I don't feel like being covered in carbon fiber right now. I guess we'll do this one and this one. Alright, here we go. Just gonna lay into it and then we'll go horizontal. I gotta remember to get it back, because last time I was doing handles and then I started doing metal again, I looked down and the wood that was sitting there is all of a sudden like smoldering, so yeah, don't want no fires down here. I'm just gonna mark this up, try to give me an idea where I want to be. See, we're all down good. I didn't do the jimping, I'll wait to do the jimping and all that and see where we cut it. Alright, let me go get my jacket on. Woo! Man, that thing's a beast. You can just grip back here or lock it on up in there. That one's actually pretty good. I just had to come down to the line. I'll be alright. Here we go. Alright, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me. I'm not taking my mask off. I got a window right there. So I'm going to let this clear out a little bit. And I'll be back. I had to bust out the vac and all that and clean everything up. I'm going to do the carbon fiber last. But I was already feeling itchy, so I took the jacket off and washed up in cold water. I remember a long time ago, someone's like, no, you got to use hot water. My whole arms were itchy. Yeah, cold water for me. All right, Small wheel, we're just going to do in here on all of them. Except, I don't know. I might save that carbon fiber and just come back and do it off camera, do it real quick. And then we'll take the platen off and do it all freehand. But yeah, small wheel, then the bigger wheel. Here we go. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna sit there and switch back and forth. Big wheel. I'm doing carbon fiber first and then washing my hands. They're itchy already. I wasn't going to take my mask off or stop or anything. So I vacuumed it all up. So let's get on these and then we'll take them apart and take this platen off and finish them up. Alright. One for TikTok. I would say Instagram, but I already said that once. I did this for all the other social medias other than YouTube. This one I went ahead and cut on the bandsaw because it had a little bit extra on there. So yeah, let's just get these shaped in and then we'll take the, I was about to say platen, we'll take the tool rest off and lay into them. I'm gonna wait. It's like midnight. I've been working all day if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Or any of those, Facebook, any of that. Yeah, so it's like midnight. Man, I've been working my ass off today. Alright, let's get to it. Enough rambling. I didn't feel like turning the grinder off before. I was just checking to make sure they're all lined up and behind the plunge line and how I want them. Let's get this off and get grinding. I think I'm going to put a Warren 40 on here or something because this 120 is not cutting it. Literally not cutting it. So I already started this one. You can see what I do is I put my handles together. I never understand people that epoxy their handles on before shaping them. I know a lot of guys will shape in here and then epoxy their handles on. I always, you don't have to put them together like this or like this. I just do it to make sure everything's even. But yeah, then what I do is I kind of, I used to draw it on here, but you don't have to draw it on there. Just make sure you leave like 1/8 of an inch barrier. That way when you put them back on the handles, you can kind of shape them into the handle. You don't want it to be any smaller or anything like that. So, yeah, let's finish these out and then we'll do all three and put on the small wheel. With the G10 liners, it's kind of easy because you just go down to there and you got your 1/8 inch. Well, I think these are 16th, but you know what I'm saying. 16th, 1/8. I think I brought these down to a 16th. Just make sure you leave a little bit so when you put them back on, you can shape them. So what I do a lot of times, I just thought of this before I get too far. See how this comes in like that? I'll just try to match it on here. They don't have to be perfect, but you're going to kind of have to, you know, match it and then bring it down like here in the front. See how they kind of come together the same? Now you hand sand that out, which I hate hand sanding, but on handles it has to be done. You see they all kind of come down even. So, you know, and it slides in even. So you just kind of have to follow one path. Get one side set in and then do it to the other side. My cameras are covered in sawdust. Woo, I gotta clean this place up. I'm gonna do a carbon fiber off camera because, like I said, it's late. And I'll just come down in the morning and bust it out. Look at this. Good Lord. I'm definitely going to clean this place up. Alright. Last part. And we'll put them on the blade and see how they look. Man, that feels good. Little bit of hand sanding and yeah, man, as my headphones fall off. Oh, can I catch them? Oh, no. Woo, almost in the water bucket. It's the next day and I forgot to set up the cameras. I did all 3 of these. They're basically done. All we gotta do is hand sand them out. And I figured I'd show the last one to you. Or I would do the last one. See, they're basically all done. All that just needs to be done is round it off into the handles. And then we go sand it. Woo! Man, it's a nice fat handle. Feels good. I'm just gonna hit the edges of this. You probably saw in the last part, I did it on that. And that was a rough belt. So I'm just gonna hit it with a Trizac and I gotta re-dip these anyway. That's a good part of having removable scales. I'm just gonna leave the cameras running and cut it out and speed it up and do all kinds of crazy stuff. I had to use my regular vise because this knife is just too fat right here to fit in. This one will work and the other two will work. So, yeah. Fun times, fun times. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on there to see how it looks. Woo! Look at that. It does shine up nice, I will say that. I'm just gonna do the other two off of camera. Something fell over. Oh, my camera bag. At least all my cameras are up. I got some lenses in there I'm worried about, but you can leave the spine like that. I've done it on a few knives, or, you know, I'm probably gonna re-etch this anyway. I wait till after I do the kydex and all that, but boom. I had to take this one off the handles, so let's put it back on and see what this one looks like. I just wanted to get all up in here and stuff, so. Alright, I got a few more grits to go on that one. But, I'm gonna do that off camera, like I said, so, boom, now I got these other two to do. And then the carbon fiber. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. All that good stuff we tell you. I'm kind of leaving it out of the first part of the video these days, because, it's a lot to get through. You know I'm gonna say it. And if you don't, you'll see it here, right? Alright, my website's up in the cards. First down in the description, I got a few knives on there, a couple frame locks, maybe a fixed blade, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all having a great day. And as always, take it easy.